this is a beautiful machine here, man.
You know, man, we just trying to keep up with y'all out here in EPA, man.
Oh no, man, y'all exceeding. I like the rim. How you lace that up? Yeah, that linked in just perfect. Yeah, it's real simple,
cruiser, man.
simple and clean. Cruiser.
My cruiser.
Okay. So what's the plan?
You tell me, Rob. What'd
Okay.
you do on my brother? On the first one.
On the first one.
Not with the big.
With the first one, it's 4 6x9s, and the speakers here and there. That's it.
Okay.
And we.
And this is the smaller one, right?
Yeah. And so we'll put we'll get the polk audio. Hey y'all, I'm giving Espen. I can't give you all the inside secrets. Like I said, 100 miles and running. We're looking at a 21 with the limited paint scheme. My boy added his own custom flavor to it. Let me see, what is this? It's 61 of 150. That right there. His brother, whose bike I did, the other #1 bike, he said, Rob, do your business. Do what you do. I said, okay. The man said he'd give me what's the word, poetic license to do what I want to do. I said, okay, I'm going to have at it. So, anyway, we finna go. Watch me work. I'm going to give it to you, but I'm not going to give it all to you. Give you little bits and pieces of it. Gotta go. Well, we're back together again. Blue tape removed. Tour pack reveal. Lid hit up. Hide all stuff going on the lid stuff. Bag reveal. Pretty simple. Lid to cover up the dynamite up top. You know. Same thing over here. One of his main concerns about this was, Rob, make it so you do not see the tour pack disconnect. Can you see it? You got to get low to see it, but it is there. It does exist. It's further in the back there, so it blends in against the black background. So no wires crossing over the black for scratches. See if we can find a song that does it justice. Pause for a second. Let me find a song. Today is going to be an R&B day, so let's back it up to the outside and put it on the street. Since we got a clear street today, street sweeping day. Sunny California, not too humid, not too cold, just about right. My growing grass experiment is going horribly. We're in a drought. Yeah, very bad. Anyway, so let's go here. Let me see what we got. Yeah, I like this. So, we're having, let's back it up 2 songs. I'll put the phone directly in my face. You can hear what I hear. Like I said, today is an R&B day. So let's see something here. Let's go with the, let's say we I hope that you've been treated alright. Oh yeah, he going to Corbin to get the rest of that hooked up for the new seat to match the bike. You got to coordinate.